Hello everyone, I'm Simran Daman. So students, today we are start our new topic that is trigonometry. So first of all, we must have to know what is the meaning of trigonometry. So let's start our topic. So trigonometry, trigonometry. So mean students, first of all, tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means to measure. So in trigonometry, we are going to talk about three-side measurement. So in short, trigonometry is basically a relation between sides of triangle and angle between them. Okay, so what's it? Let's start for the topic. So students, in this chapter, we are going to talk about two things. First is number one, that is trigonometric ratios, and the other thing is trigonometric identities. We are going to cover these topics one by one. First of all, we are going to start with our topic trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what are your meaning of trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric, whatever you want to say, it's the basic pronunciation. So trigonometric ratios. So basically students, it will be a right angle triangle. Trigonometry basically for the triangle must be right angle triangle. Okay, so A, B, C. Basically, it's your right angle triangle. Here you have angle A, and it will be your perpendicular. So it will be angle of 90 degree. So students, what is the meaning of all these sides? What is the meaning of AC? What is the meaning of BC? And what is the meaning of AB? So students, AB basically is the side adjacent to A. What is the A? A will be your angle A. So what is BC? Side opposite to angle A. And AC will be your hypotenuse. Okay. So I'm going to define all these things. What is the meaning of these things? Students, here angle A will be your acute angle, and side faces this angle will be BC. Side faces this angle will be BC. So we call it side opposite to angle A. And you can also say that it will be your perpendicular. And the other thing is that where angle A is made, that side is your AB. So that will be your side adjacent to A. So you can also say it as base. That is base of particular acute angle. And here AC will be your hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So students, now we are going to define trigonometric ratios of this angle is this triangle ABC. Before doing this, we are going to just change the position of angle. So here angle is your A. Now I am going to change the angle. While changing the angle, what I am going to conclude, suppose this will be your acute angle, and here ABC, and C will be your acute angle. Angle C will be your acute angle. And here perpendicular will be your AB. So this will be the side adjacent to C. So this will be side adjacent to angle C. So it will be your base, and angle C will be facing by which side? That is your AB. So it will be side opposite to angle C. So that is your perpendicular. And the last thing is your AC will be your hypotenuse. Clear? Next thing, we are going to define our trigonometric ratios of angle A, particular angle A. I'm going to mention it. I'm again mentioning it. We are talking about the trigonometric ratios of angle A. So, trigonometric ratios of angle A. Angle A in right angle triangle. But what is the meaning of right angle? Right angle triangle is that triangle where 90 degrees the compulsory factor. One angle must be your 90 degree. Right angle triangle ABC. So students, this will be your triangle. This ABC is not right angle triangle. So this will be your right angle triangle. Here A, we are talking about acute angle is here A. B is your perpendicular. C is your other point. So students, I'm going to erase this. So let's see trigonometric ratios. But students, trigonometric is defined by your angle sine theta. When here angle is your A, theta is your basically angle. So here angle is A, sine A, cos A, tan A, sine's opposite cosecant A, cos opposite secant A, tan opposite cot A. So trigonometric ratio is defined by these angles. Okay. So first of all, what is sine A? We are going to start it with a very old concept. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. He stands for Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. So what is the meaning of this thing? So S stands for here sine, C stands for cos, T stands for tan, P stands for perpendicular. And what is the meaning of perpendicular here? Perpendicular means side opposite to angle A. And B stands for base. And base means side opposite, side adjacent to angle A. Why I am using this formula. This concept is very old in traditional method for students to understand what is the meaning of sine theta, cos theta, even sine A, cos A, sine C. Theta will be any angle, A, B, C, any alphabet, okay, you can say. So what is the meaning of H? H will be your hypotenuse. Clear? I hope you will understand this. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. So students, what is the meaning of sine? I am telling you, S means sine. So sine of A will be your perpendicular. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is your side opposite to that particular angle A over this hypotenuse. I'm talking about this triangle ABC. Here, this will be your angle and this will be your 90 degree side opposite will be your BC and hypotenuse here will be your AC. So sine A here will be your BC by AC. I hope you understand what is the meaning of sine A. Now the next is cos A. See, this will be your C here cos. So it will be your base over hypotenuse. What is the meaning of base? That is side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the side adjacent to it? This will be your AB. And what will be your hypotenuse? It will be your AC. Understand? Sine A and cos A. The next will be your, I am telling you what is T. T will be your tangent. T will be your tangent. Cosine, sine, cosecant, secant, cotangent. So all these will be short forms. Okay, the next will be your tan A. So students, tan A will be your perpendicular upon base. I'm changing the ink of pen. So perpendicular means side opposite to angle A. Okay. And the base means side adjacent to angle A. What is side opposite to angle A? That will be your BC. And what will be the side adjacent to angle A? That will be your AB. So BC over AB will be your tan. Now I'm telling you, I already told you that sine's opposite will be your cosecant and cos opposite will be your secant and tan's opposite will be your cot. So students, sine A will be your 1 over cos secant A. Cos A will be your 1 over secant A. Tan A will be your 1 over cot A. Or you can say cosecant A will be your 1 over sine A. Similarly, secant A will be your 1 over cosecant A. And cot A will be your 1 over tan A. Clear? So, students, we already defined what is the meaning of sine A, BC by AC. So, here, cosecant A will be your 1 over sine A. That is equal to 1 over BC over AC. So, just reciprocate it. Answer will be AC by BC. So, cosecant A will be your AC over BC. Similarly, cos A. Secant A will be your 1 over cos A. 1 over cos A means 1 over AB over AC. So here it will be your AC by AB, that is your secant A. Similarly, the last step is here, tan A. Cot A will be your 1 over tan A. That will be 1 over BC over AB. So here you will get AB over BC. I am using this page because I just want you to just take the screenshot of this page. So next I am going to define it again on other page. So this will be sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A. I hope you take the screenshot of this page. So I'm just rewriting all these things. So students, sine A. What is the meaning of sine A? Sine of angle A. That will be your side opposite to angle A over hypotenuse. Triangle will be your A, B, C. Again, this will be your angle A. This will be your perpendicular angle 90 degree. So side BC over AC. Similarly, with the sine's opposite will be your cosecant of angle A, hypotenuse over side opposite to angle A. So it will be your AC divided by BC. The next thing will be your cosine of angle A. What is the meaning of cosine? Cosine will be Pandit Badri Parshad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. That is side adjacent to angle A divided by its hypotenuse, and it will be your AB divided by AC. Clear? So similarly, the next step is secant of angle A. Secant of angle A will be opposite of cosine. Hypotenuse of angle, hypotenuse divided by side adjacent to angle A. So it will be your AC over AB. The next step will be your tangent of angle A. That will be side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. So it will be BC by AB. Next, students, will be cotangent of angle A. It will be your side adjacent to angle A divided by side opposite to angle A. So it will be AB by BC. Clear, students? I hope you will understand the concept of trigonometric ratio. So just remembering that what is acute angle here and what will be the angle, 90-degree angle, you will be very easily solve the questions. So let's start one question. I'm just writing the question. Just before doing one question, we must know one known fact, that hypotenuse will be the longest side of triangle. Longest side of triangle. So sine theta, that is sine of A, here theta is A, or cos A will be less than 1, or probably it will be equal to 1. So it will be the concept. So it will be very well known MCQ that will be asked to you in exam. So the next thing will be one question. So it's a very good question. Given that we have question, given that tan A will be your 4 by 3, find all other trigonometric ratios of angle A. So students, if we are making this diagram, A, B, C. Tan A will be your 4 by 3. What is the meaning of tangent of A? Tan A will be your Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole, perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Side opposite to that particular acute angle, that is side opposite to angle A, over side adjacent to angle A. So here tan A will be your 4 by 3. That will be perpendicular will be 4 as base will be your 3. Perpendicular will be your 4 and base will be your 3. So now one thing will be very easily can be solved from this, that it will be your cot A. Cot A will be base on perpendicular, that is equal 1 over tan A. So it will be your 3 by 4. So first trigonometric ratio will be tan A. Other will be cot A. That will be easily defined. Now for defining sin A, cos A, cosecant A, as well as secant A, you must be known what is the meaning of hypotenuse here. So for finding hypotenuse, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states hypotenuse square will be your base square plus perpendicular square. that will be side adjacent to perpendicular, adjacent to acute angle square, plus side opposite to that particular acute angle square, that will be your hypotenuse square, or hypotenuse will be your square root of side adjacent angle A square plus side opposite to angles A square. That will be your hypotenuse. That is square root of base square plus perpendicular square will be your hypotenuse. So students, here you will have base as well as perpendicular. And here perpendicular will be 4 as well, base will be your 3. So hypotenuse will be your, base will be 3 square plus 4 square. Just substitute the value. You will get 9 plus 16. 25 root will be your 5 into 5. You can also, I'm solving it step by step. Square will be cancelled out by square root. So hypotenuse will be here 5. Clear? Now the next thing is sin A. So sin A will be your side opposite to angle A over hypotenuse. Just remembering again, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 4. Hypotenuse will be your 5. Similarly, sine's opposite will be your cosecant A. That will be, answer is 1 over sin A. That is 1 over perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Answer will be 5 by 4. Third trigonometric ratio, fourth trigonometric ratio. Clear? The next thing is finding fifth trigonometric ratio, that is cos A. What is cos A? Base upon hypotenuse, that is side adjacent to angle A over hypotenuse. What is base here? Base will be 3, hypotenuse will be 5. This will be fifth trigonometric ratio. Next, the sixth ratio will be secant A. Secant A will be 1 over cos A, that is 1 over base by hypotenuse, that is hypotenuse by base. So it will be your 5 by 3. So I hope you understand the concept. This is your question. I'm again repeating it. Tan A is given 4 by 3. What they are asking you, they are asking you calculate other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Here angle A is acute. So here B will be your 90 degree. Angle opposite to acute angle will be 90 degree. So just remembering Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole concept, you will find all the trigonometric ratio. Tan A will be perpendicular upon base. Cot A will be base upon perpendicular. Next, for finding hypotenuse, you must know what is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is basically for right angle triangle. This is basically for right angle triangle. Always remember, trigonometry as well as Pythagoras theorem both stands for right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be under root of base square plus perpendicular square. Under root, square root, both are same thing. So we are just finding it. Then sin A, cosecant is opposites. The last is cos A as well as secant A. We calculate all the trigonometric ratio. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching. I'm Simran Dhawan. MSc Physics, B.Ed, pursuing PhD. CSIR UGC NET qualified. All India rank 68. NGP qualified as state topper. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching my video.